Hey, it's Ben here from Solid Essay. Diving into a sea of literature can be complex. Let's simplify the process of writing a literature review together. A literature review synthesizes scholarly publications on a specific topic. Here are some crucial steps. 1. Choose your topic. Choose a topic within your field of study that interests you and has enough scholarly resources. 2. Conduct a literature search. Find relevant and recent scholarly articles, books, and other sources about your topic. 3. Evaluate and select sources. Evaluate the credibility and relevance of each source. Select the most significant ones. 4. Identify themes and gaps. Identify common themes, disagreements, and gaps in the research. 5. Develop a thesis statement. Define your argument or perspective based on your observations. 6. Write an outline. Structure your review with an introduction, thematic body sections, and a conclusion. 7. Write the review. Begin with the thesis and introduction. Follow with the body, where you discuss themes, and end with the conclusion. Summarize your findings. 8. Revise. Edit for clarity, coherence, and grammatical accuracy. Literature reviews can be simpler than they seem. If this video was helpful, please like and share with your friends. And together, let's make literature writing assignments easier.